What's up my ponios, Andy with Tech Influence here, excited to share with you guys this content here. We're gonna have an awesome alternative to the FineWoven that Apple just put out. Mous has been putting out these nylon fabric cases here for a long time. I've been reviewing Mous cases since iPhone 12, and I think having something that's more robust, actually included with their Limitless 5.0, that is military drop grade protection and Magsafe compatible, it'll be an awesome alternative here for the FineWoven. Mous makes these really awesome cases here that include their AeroShock technology, which provides you up to 8 feet drop grade protection. On the iPhone 15 Pro, there's a great way to match your lifestyle. If you go work out, if you want to match your fit, it's got this nylon fiber fabric that's really nice to the touch, is really sleek in the hand. I did purchase this with my own money, but I will have an affiliate link down below. You can check out the pricing and availability there for you. With that said, let's go ahead and jump into it and demonstrate what this can do for you. I reviewed a similar case, the Green Forest, which was recently released. This is the Arctic Blue, which is really cool, really sleek in the hand, made out of the nylon fiber fabric. What I love about this here is they use the Limitless 5.0 case here that is a TPU polycarbonate material, which is really awesome to the touch, nice and ergonomic and grippy, and provides you up to 8 feet drop grade protection. I really love how they've opted into the blue color, which is really cool. Normally they have black, and you can see there in green, there's their AeroShock. It's like their rubber silicone that's gonna add that protection. On the back side here, you can see the Magsafe and also the microfiber lining, which is gonna be great. You got the cutouts here for the speaker and the I/O. You've even got the buttons and the action button as well as the power button. This is a robust, clean case here that you can see up close. The nylon fibers just look great. Placing it in here for the first time, I think the blue and the white is gonna definitely look great on each other. I'm a fan of BYU and I wanted to have colors that match my alma mater. BYU has blue and white, and having the titanium white on the blue is so cool. So you can see here, you've got a guard there for the camera lenses, which is nice. You've got a nice bezel here. I've got a screen protector, as you can see here. It still grabs around the edges and has a bezel. It adds about 1/8 of an inch, a little bit more thickness than I'm used to. But what's great here is it does have a lip to be able to not rock as well as not scratch on your screen. You can go ahead and opt into a Magsafe device here if that's something you're interested in. I've got this 3-in-1 Murpiso device where you can go ahead and throw on, you know, your AirPods, and you can go ahead and throw on your watch as well as the phone itself. It'll charge, it looks great like that. Or you can opt into something more portable if that's something you're interested in. I've got this Anker portable device here that you can go ahead and snap to the back. It's completely portable. It's 5,000 milliamp from the folks at Anker. It's really nice. With that said, if you want to opt into something that was a little bit more content creation-y, you can go ahead and slap that on the back. It's nice and robust. This is a selfie stick here if you wanted to have a flip up for your face, selfie stick, or, you know, vlogging or whatever. You've got a dedicated shutter button as well as a charging 5,000 milliamp, as you can see. The folks at ShiftCam have this SnapGrip, which I think is really great for content creation. It's my go-to. Anker in Spanish means to carry, and this is my everyday carry here for my iPhone 14, my iPhone 15. Anker features a wide variety of high-end luxury leather goods, including bags, handbags, wallets, cases, watch straps for your Apple Watch, and wallets to boot. I love my Aspen, which comes in a myriad of different colors. If you want to opt into the brown for the iPhone 14 Pro Max, or if you wanted to opt into the camel tan, this is great here to be able to level up. I also have the watch strap, which is a great way to be able to add to your Apple Watch and have luxury on the go. Anker sources the leather ethically, and they have excellent customer service in the event you have a question, a concern, or a need. Check out down below in the description for a 15% off code using Tech Influence for a coupon here on your first order. Check out those links as well, as they do help out the channel. Nonetheless, guys, all of these products will be down below in the links in the description, which is an affiliate link. It helps out the channel. This is Andy with Tech Influence, going over some really cool products here and an alternative for the FineWoven if you wanted to have something a little more sleek in the hand and something that's really nice and ergonomic to the touch. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Hit that like button, subscribe if you want to see more. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.